turtle was dropped off earlier by Weldon Hurt. Wait a minute. There's no turtle in here. Dun 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 dun. We've been off making clear to Dr. Central while this guy escaped. How the hell did he get out of it? He's just gonna jump in and scare the hell out of me. And I'm gonna laugh. Got it on video too. Alright, so that's gonna be about a 10-pound turtle. Alright, so let me get him back in his cage. How the hell did he get out of that thing? Cool. Alright. Alright, buddy. Let's get you back where you belong. It's Tuesday morning. I'm on my way to Animal Care Hospital in Long Beach. And my turtle's missing. Here, widow patient. Where are you? Thought I heard some noises over here a second ago. Not over here. Well then, where the hell did you go? Oh my God. Holy shit. Never let it be said that these guys are not smart, or that turtles are slow, or that they can't climb. Holy crap. Daisy, you've been watching this? Have you been watching this, girl? You couldn't like let me know, say, Dad, 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 there's a turtle escaping. You couldn't do anything like that? All right. Okay, dude. Gotta put you back in your cage. Gotta get that reduced and get you back out in the wild. All right. I'm not sexist, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Gonna tell you all, it's my heart and dying to see it. Just like a ghost that are haunting my dreams. Now I know you never just see it.
All right. It's probably about 6 o'clock now. Just got back after working a day at Animal Care Hospital. Went out, did some errands, set this little turtle right here. That's a little 13 pounds of snapping turtle in that bucket. One more time. Come home and it's gone. Oh, there it is. I'm just going to leave her there tonight. No. Don't think so. Anyway, yeah, I think it's a her because this time of year you just don't see these particular species out of the water unless they're going to lay eggs. The males would actually find a female in the water, and you know, mating would be anti-gravity style. Oh, it sounds so fun. Anyway, so we're going to call her Houdini. Come on, guys. I couldn't leave her in the car. That'd just be mean.
Take this.
Yes, you can have the tub.
Okay.
That's me.
I was gonna say.
We're saying bye-bye. This one's leaving. One of the things I didn't mention earlier, is those marks right there on top of that, the shell, if I get this to focus, are probably an alligator attack at some point in time. Cool. Yeah.
That's right.
That is kind of cool. Anyway, but...
That's why he's running from everybody.
Yeah. They're trying to feed me to the damn alligators. Anyway, so there's our crack. It should heal. It's all been reduced. We have an antibiotic shot on board. They're probably going to. I recommend dry docking them for a while, which means just you can put them in water, but make sure it stays below the shell line. And other than that, this guy should heal and be set free in about a month.
Awesome.
All right.
Very good.
Bonus. Later, pain in the butt.
First I said no, I got some plans for tonight, and then it stopped. Say alright.